Good afternoon. Just going to do a little session of mindfulness through sound. So if you'd like to get yourself comfy in your chair or on a bed, if you want to lay down in a recliner chair, if you want to put your feet up, that's fine. Get yourself comfy, center yourself, a couple of deep breaths. That's it. Now feel yourself connected to the earth. You can either visualize roots coming out of your feet or coming out of your root chakra into the earth. Just feel yourself nice and grounded and connected. Now this mindfulness exercise can either be done with your eyes closed or with your eyes open, whichever you most like to feel. You feel comfortable. The most comfortable that you feel. So that's up to you. You can either close your eyes or just leave them open. So now just take 3 big deep breaths. And again, 2, 3, 1, breathe in and out. And again, in and out. Just relax. Now, I want you to focus your attention on any sounds that are around. Sounds you might hear through this recording, sounds that are in your immediate area. Just focus on those sounds. You'll hear louder sounds at first. You don't have to worry what the sounds are. Just focus on the sound itself. And then listen beyond that to the next louder sound, and then a weaker sound. So you're listening into the distance now. Just listen. Listen to the sounds. And keep listening to those sounds until you go back and back and back. And they get softer and softer and softer. Listen to all the sounds. There might be a clock ticking. There could be road traffic, road noise. There might be somebody on a motorcycle, an aeroplane going past. The breeze blowing the trees. Birds tweeting in the distance. Just tune in to all those sounds. Focus on the sounds only. As a new sound comes in, just acknowledge it and let it go, and just focus on the next sound. Focusing out further and further. Bringing your focus to the more distant sounds now. You can still hear the sounds closer to you, but you're really focusing on the distant sounds. Focusing until you get to a point where there's silence. You may hear voices in the foreground, cars going past, somebody playing music, somebody somewhere else in your home doing something that's creating a sound. Hear things banging and clanging. Acknowledge that, but listen past that sound to the quieter sounds in the distance. Softer and softer and softer sounds. until you get to the place of silence. Just continue to focus. Relax as you do it. Perhaps you can hear some little birds tweeting in the distance. What sound can you hear beyond those little birds? Just focus your full attention on the sounds that are around you. If your mind starts to wander, just bring it back to the sounds. Continue to breathe nice and evenly and really focus on those sounds. Find them really relaxing, but you're present there listening to the sounds around you. Keep listening beyond the close sounds until you get to that point of silence. And then listen to the silence. Take 3 nice, big, deep breaths in through your nose and out. And in through your nose and out. And one more in through your nose. Hear the sound as you expel the air. Now bring your awareness back to the sounds that are closer to you, leaving that void, that silent space. Bring your focus back to the noises closest to you, the sounds. Feel calm and relaxed and really present in this moment. Don't have to really analyse the sounds or anything, just be aware of them. As you start to come back into the room, listen to the louder sounds that are closer to you. Just focus on them. And then take your focus back to yourself, to within yourself, to your breath. Focus on each inward breath. And then focus on the sound of the outward breath. And again, the inward breath and outward breath. And again, inward breath and outward breath. Feel yourself drawing yourself within your centre and connecting to your own inner higher self. Your presence with your higher self. Just enjoy that feeling of connection and power as you sit connected with your higher self, with spirit, with all that is. Let's give thanks for the opportunity to be present and mindful of what is going on around you, but stay calm and relaxed. Okay, when you're ready, just have a little stretch, relax your muscles. Take a nice big deep breath out, have a little look around you. If you've had your eyes closed during this process, gently open them up and have a little look around you. Listen to the sounds that are close immediately to you now. And then just come back into total awareness of everything else that's going on around you. Remain centered and calm and relaxed, ready to go about your day. Thank you for that exercise. If you enjoyed that, please give me the thumbs up, give it the thumbs up, click subscribe and the bell, and I shall see you tomorrow morning when I'll bring you the daily intuitive card reading. Hope you enjoyed that exercise. That's something you can do for yourself at any time. When you're feeling a little bit stressed or things are going a bit tough for you, it's a really good exercise to bring yourself back. And you can wipe out those sounds now. You can learn to focus on the sounds that you find the most soothing. But it's good to be aware of all that's going on around you. Okay, well, bye now. See you tomorrow. Love and blessings, Kath.